Today, we have a crucial topic that could save your kidneys and your overall health. We're talking about 6 dangerous foods that increase proteinuria and can potentially destroy your kidneys. If you or someone you know is struggling with kidney issues, this video is a must-watch. So, let's dive right in. First, let's understand what proteinuria is. Proteinuria is the presence of excess protein in your urine, which can be a sign that your kidneys are not working properly. If left unchecked, it can lead to chronic kidney disease or even kidney failure. Now, let's reveal the 6 foods that can exacerbate this condition. Number 1. Salt. High sodium intake can increase blood pressure, which in turn puts extra strain on your kidneys. Over time, this can lead to increased proteinuria. So, cut down on processed foods, canned soups, and salty snacks. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Beverages like soda, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices contain high levels of sugar and artificial sweeteners that can damage your kidneys and worsen proteinuria. Opt for water, herbal teas, or freshly squeezed juices instead. Number 3. Red meat. Red meat is high in protein and saturated fats, which can be hard on your kidneys. Consuming too much can increase the levels of protein in your urine. Try incorporating more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu into your diet. Number 4. Energy drinks. These are not just sugary but often loaded with caffeine and other stimulants. They can increase blood pressure and cause dehydration, both of which are harmful to kidney function. Stick to natural energy boosters like fruits and nuts. Number 5. Instant noodles and processed foods. These are packed with preservatives, sodium, and unhealthy fats. Regular consumption can lead to a significant increase in proteinuria. Cooking fresh meals with whole ingredients is always a better choice. Number 6. Dairy products. While dairy is an important source of calcium, too much of it can contribute to kidney damage, especially if you already have kidney issues. Consider limiting your intake of cheese, milk, and other high-fat dairy products. So, there you have it, 6 foods you should avoid to protect your kidneys and reduce proteinuria. Remember, making dietary changes can have a significant impact on your kidney health. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet. Stay hydrated, eat wisely, and take care of your kidneys. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.